Everyone, this is Clint, and today we're going to talk about how to double your crypto. Now, double your crypto truly is simple. It's an incredible system that allows you to double your crypto merely by sharing the concept with others. Plus, pay close attention, when you double your crypto, you set off a potential tsunami of passive recurring crypto income. It's true. You decide how much crypto to double, and you decide how long it takes. And of course, you're always in control of your funds. Now, let's have a look because Double Your Crypto is brought to you by Infinity Traffic Boost. We are a nearly 9-year-old, 42,000 member Bitcoin accumulation and advertising community. In our community, you earn through advertising sales and simple duplication. All right. Now, how do you double your crypto again and again? It's very simple. There's just 3 steps. First, purchase any traffic package option. That's advertising credits, guaranteed visitors to your website in our 9-year-old community. Okay. The advertising works. Secondly, refer 4 members that purchase the same TPO, the same level of advertising, and just use our simple system to duplicate. You don't have to sell, just share. Then share this information with them after they've purchased so they can duplicate and they can double their crypto too. That's going to put you on a path to double again and again and again. Done. All right. Now, it can be done again and again and again, and we're going to show you how. And at the end of this presentation, I'm going to show you a link where we take a deeper dive into the underlying compensation plan, and you truly are going to say, wow, okay? But the thing that I want to emphasize is that the double your crypto truly isn't the big thing. Now, you're going to say, Clint, wait a minute. What's bigger than double your crypto? Because the true benefit here is that you possibly set off a potentially unstoppable tsunami of passive recurring crypto income. Absolutely. Now, this is an incredible team concept in earning recurring passive income. This compensation plan does not exist anywhere else. Okay. It's been in use for 9 years, proven, tested, and many, many happy team members. Let's take a look. When you double your crypto, you don't just earn commissions, you activate a powerful compensation structure called the Power 11, where your team is financially motivated to send sales to you. Think about that for a minute. All right. We all listen to radio station WIIFM. What's in it for me? We've designed a system where your team is motivated financially to help you build your team. Their team is motivated to do the same. And we're not talking about a matrix or a force matrix. This is truly a unique system. And we're going to show you more about that here shortly. Key to understand it, members want to send you what we call sales because it's in their best interest. All right. Now, this Power 11 system, every person connected to you is working to get lifetime qualified at each level, just like you are. That means that once you've doubled your crypto, your passive income naturally grows. Think about that. It naturally grows without you having to chase, manage, or recruit everyone yourself. You want to kick this off. Our system, our product, our community will help grease the wheels towards absolutely passive income that can be ongoing and recurring. This is cool. You just take action once and the incentives take over from there. All right. Now, that's why doubling your crypto doesn't just pay you. It sets off, as I said before, the potential for long-term passive recurring crypto income as your pay line continues to grow and renew. Okay. It's truly revolutionary. And once you really look under the hood and get it, you're probably not going to be able to sleep at night. The bottom line here is we want to help you understand the big picture, and we're going to give you the details to dive in deeper to really understand how the pistons go up and down. Okay. But the key is your members want to send you sales because it's in their best interest. Very, very important. Okay, so let's take a look. Here's an example. Let's say you purchase traffic package option for 25,000 Satoshi. That's about 25 bucks with Bitcoin at $100,000. Okay, now you're going to get 9,615 advertising credits, which can be guaranteed visitors, clicks on your banners or text ads, etc. Very high quality advertising. Secondly, refer four members who purchase the same TPO 4. All right, you want to do that as quickly as possible for a whole variety of reasons. Now, what happens? You earn 80% commissions. And I want you to think about that. 80% commissions on your first, third, and fourth referral. The second referral is passed up. That referral that gets passed up is where the magic happens. You got to stay with me because the light will go on. All right. So, where does this double come from? Show me the math, Clint. Well, 80% of 25,000 is 20,000. Okay. So, you're going to earn 20,000 Satoshi for each sale. You pass one sale up, right? So you have three sales times 20,000, you got 60,000 Satoshi. You've more than doubled your 25,000 purchase. All right. You've actually earned 2.4 times. How cool is that? Not only do you have 9,600 guaranteed visitors to your website through our system, all right, but you also have 2.4 times more crypto coin than you started with. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. All right. Remember I said there's magic here. All right. Kind of sound like Frosty. There's magic in that old silk hat. All right. So let's take a look. Your passive crypto cash flow generator is now on automatic pilot. When you make those three sales, excuse me, when you make those four sales, three of them pay you, you've set in motion something that just might be unstoppable. And let me show you why. Okay. This potential tsunami of passive recurring crypto income is real. Remember, your team is financially motivated to send sales to you. That's the most important piece. This isn't about you, it's in their best interest. That is a key. Now, you earn 30 or 80% commissions to infinity width and infinity depth on qualifying sales. Here's the fun part. There are 11 price points. That means there's an entry level for everyone. What do you want to double? What's your audience like? Do you have people that have about 50 bucks? Do you have advertisers you know that have 200? Maybe you're working with a group that only has $5, but they're trying to get started. Great. All right. Pick the level that's best for you. Pick the level that you think is going to be quick and easy to double your crypto with four sales. Okay. Now there's 11 price points, and I don't want to turn this into a training, but do understand that your team, your referrals are working to help send you referrals at each and every level. And you don't have to purchase every level. You come in at TPO 6, all right, you're able to earn on all those levels below and one level higher. I've got training, I've got deep dive details that I'm going to give you at the end of this presentation so that you can see, as I said before, how it works. I just want to set the stage for the power of recurring income. Okay, so be quick, but don't hurry. That's what John Wooden, famous basketball coach back in the 70s, said. What I mean by that is you're going to start seeing double your crypto everywhere. Okay. It's an innovative compensation plan that's been proven for years and years. And I don't know about you, but I don't know anywhere else that I can get an 80% commission on 11 price points and earn 80% on sales to infinity depth. Okay. You make a few sales, help your team do the same. You can absolutely be swimming in crypto. Time is of the essence. You want to make sure to get people tagged to you before they join somebody else. Create that sense of urgency for you and your team. Be smart, be professional, and be enthusiastic. Now, I want to just give you again, don't want to turn this into a training, but I want you to understand that when you buy the smaller TPOs, you have 30 or 40 days during which you can earn 80%. You can upgrade again if you want to, or you can buy longer TPO packages. That's where the recurring portion comes in. So it is possible. Secondly, you want to make sure that you surf within our traffic exchange, but you don't have to do that very often. We will have all that information in the training. Remember, we are a high quality advertising portfolio company, and we want to make sure that you get good advertising and that you have a chance to create recurring crypto income. So the question is, how long will it take to double your crypto? It's all up to you and your efforts initially. Then it's totally up to the team that you build and how hard they work. But remember, you're always in control. You can request your commissions out. We've been paying commissions, within a day or two for 9 years. And you can use your earnings to purchase higher TPOs. That's what the system is set at. If you want to use that, you should, because you never want to miss out on an 80% commission. Okay? It's just that simple. So double your crypto. The future truly is up to you. And come join us. All right. Begin the double your crypto journey and create that passive recurring crypto income as big and as fast as you want. It truly is your decision. Now, I want to make sure everybody understands how this comp plan works. Again, I want to keep this nice and tight because we're here to talk about double your crypto, but I want to make sure that you understand the how and the why. So what we've done is we've created another presentation at this link. Okay, Power 11 YT main. What that is it's the YouTube video, and you just click there, and you'll be able to watch that video. When you watch that, it truly explains how this system works. And I would encourage you to watch that. I would encourage you to fully understand that, plug into our marketing materials, plug into our social channels, and let's get going, because we truly want to help you double your crypto and create that passive tsunami of recurring crypto income. I want to thank you so very much for popping in, and I do appreciate your time. We look forward to working with you now and well into the future. Thank you.